Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make $24 in PayPal money for each click using this new app. It's free and available worldwide. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. I recommend that you visit the website moreniche.com. To provide some context, Niche is the world's largest health affiliate network, having distributed millions of dollars to hundreds of thousands of people since 2002. This strategy is normally open to everyone at any time and in any location throughout the world, which means you can earn money quickly and easily no matter where you are. Anyway, go to their main page and click on this brand link right here, and you'll be taken to this webpage. You can now learn about the health and wellness brands that you can promote on this website. As you can see, these are high-paying, high-converting, and high-quality businesses, so you'll have a better chance of entering the affiliate program. Now scroll down to the website to view all of the different brands that are offered, including big names like Black Wolf, Brutal Force, Fingold, and many more. If you find them on this page, you will tell your friends, family, coworkers, and virtually everyone you know about them. You'll be paid a ludicrous amount of money in commissions once you've done that. And best of all, this method is entirely free and involves no investments. You have pure profit and you didn't have to do anything particularly difficult to get it. I want you to focus on the Zotrim brand, which you can see if you scroll down to the bottom of the page. With this incredibly powerful strategy, this is the one that will pay you a lot of money. People all over the world are happy with their earnings, and you can too. Stay tight because I'll show you how to generate money with this method. I'd like you to click on Zotrim right now, and you'll be sent to this page, which is Zotrim's website. As you can see on their homepage, you'll be met with the words "Earn an astounding 40% in commission income," which is a substantial sum of money, and you're undoubtedly wondering how you'll receive it. First and foremost, as previously stated, you may sign up for the affiliate program for free and get started right away. The second stage is to market Zotrim's many products, which can be found right here on their official website. Let's begin with a definition of Zotrim and the kind of products it offers. According to their website, Zotrim is a clinically proven appetite suppressant that helps people lose weight by controlling hunger and cravings. It even outperforms prescription meds and trials because it is professionally established, helping Zotrim users to lose weight much more quickly, and you can see their 3 packages right here if you go down to the bottom. They provide a 30-day supply for $50, a 2-month supply with 1 month free, and a 3-month supply for $150 with 2 months of extra free supply. Let me clear things up for you before you go any further. You will not purchase any services or items throughout this video because my goal is to help you make more money online rather than to sell you something. You'll be selling and advertising these 3 packages in order to encourage others to acquire them by utilizing the very effective products presented on their website, as well as quick and free shipping option. Zotrim is an intriguing brand with an easy-to-understand marketing plan. Let me tell you that free shipping is a great motivator for people to buy their items since it only means one thing. You may advertise this product to everyone you know for a huge discount regardless of where they live. With a 40% commission income, your earnings are virtually limitless and you can receive this amount over and over again. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. You may also discover everything you need to know about the brand, advertising resources, brand languages, sales, tracking and reporting, as well as promotional terms and payment methods and schedules by browsing this homepage. They'll pay out bi-weekly on the 1st and the 15th of each month. And they'll accept a range of payment methods and numerous currencies, stressing their accessibility and convenience. So I'll show you how to get started with the affiliate program at this time. To advertise Zotrim, simply click on the orange Join More Niche symbol. After that, you'll be led to this page where you'll need to fill out all of the required information to create an account. They'll ask you what kind of partner you'd like to register an account for, and I'd recommend affiliate. Following that, it's very self-explanatory since you'll simply need to enter your first and last names as well as your email address and password. After that, simply click these boxes to agree to the terms and conditions as well as the network restrictions and you're done. Go to findaforum.net, which is the most complete online database for public forums, after you've created your Zotrim account. Now go to the category section where you'll find all of these different categories along with their corresponding forms. Because you'll be promoting Zotrim, a wellness product, I'd like you to click on dieting and weight reduction because that's exactly what the product is about. You'll be able to build contacts and form networks with folks from all around the world now that you've joined these public weight reduction and dieting forums. Because many forums have hundreds of thousands of people, I recommend that you join as many as you can to widen your coverage and reach a broader audience on the platform. Now, I want you to pay attention because this is where you will put some practical money-making strategies in place. If you're excited, get on your horse and listen. As I previously indicated, in order to develop your network, you will join as many forums as possible. Now, I'd like you to sign up for a free account by visiting a forum. This one, for example, allows you to create an account. Simply create a username, enter it in the proper field, then create a password, and you'll have your account for this topic right here. Because you'll be joining as many forums as possible, you can do this as many times as you like. Now that you have an account and your affiliate link, all that is left for you to do is generate money, which is as easy as advertised. Simply go to the forum and write a few sentences providing a few advice on how people may lose weight quickly. And on your tip, you'll direct them to Zotrim so they can look at their products and possibly buy some. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make $24 in PayPal money for each click using this new app. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.